Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Whitehouse in Westmoreland and we are giving you a tour of what the place looks like after Hurricane Melissa passed through. Now, a lot of people Black River was damaged a lot, but Whitehouse in Westmoreland also received a lot of damage. And if you ask me, I think Whitehouse got more damage than Black River. So we're going to give you a tour of the Whitehouse area. We're actually driving into the town of Whitehouse. And as you can see, every house has roof damage. And to the left of where we are, to the left of these houses is actually the sea. These were like villas that were rented out. A lot of damage. Actually, that house looks like the roof is intact. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Well, I don't know if you can enjoy this tour, but we're taking a tour and driving into Whitehouse. Alright guys, and you notice the trees? This is the same way the trees looked as we were driving into Black River. Not one leaf on the tree and they're all brown. Actually, is that one green tree with leaves on it? That one survived. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We're actually driving into the town of Whitehouse now.